Hey, what's up, car enthusiasts? Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, where we bring you the hottest, most detailed car reviews on the planet. And today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW X4, a BMW's stylish, performance-packed coupe SUV that turns heads everywhere it goes. Is this the ultimate blend of luxury, sportiness, and cutting-edge tech? Stick around because we're taking you through everything you need to know about this beast inside and out. Exterior. Right off the bat, the 2025 BMW X4 keeps its signature coupe-like sloping roofline, giving it that aggressive stance while maintaining the practicality of an SUV. But BMW has taken things up a notch, refining its bold design with sharper lines, a wider stance, and futuristic details. The front fascia is where the magic happens. That massive kidney grille, it's now more sculpted, featuring an illuminated option for an extra premium touch. The adaptive LED headlights have a slimmer, more angular design, integrating seamlessly with the hood's muscular contours. Air intakes have been redesigned to optimize aerodynamics, boosting both performance and efficiency. Moving to the side profile, the X4 remains unmistakable. The flowing roofline tapers elegantly towards the rear, giving it that sporty silhouette. The wheel arches are more pronounced, and BMW now offers stunning 21-inch alloy wheel options that complement the athletic stance. The side mirrors have been aerodynamically enhanced, featuring integrated turn signals and a sleeker finish. Subtle chrome elements add a touch of luxury, while the sharp body creases give it a sculpted, modern feel. The flush door handles, borrowed from BMW's flagship models, create a seamless, futuristic appearance. At the rear, the 2025 BMW X4 doesn't hold back. Sleek, redesigned LED taillights stretch across the trunk, adding to its aggressive presence. A subtle rear spoiler enhances aerodynamics while maintaining that sporty coupe vibe. The twin exhaust tips, now larger and more aggressive, hint at the power under the hood. BMW has also refined the rear bumper, integrating a more sculpted diffuser for both aesthetics and functionality. The overall rear-end design screams performance, and with new color options like frozen pure gray and tanzanite blue, the X4 is a guaranteed showstopper. Interior. Step inside, and it's an entirely new world. BMW's next-gen iDrive system takes center stage with a massive curved display that seamlessly merges a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch touchscreen. The interface is faster, more intuitive, and packed with features like voice and gesture control. The ambient lighting system now includes a new interactive feature that reacts to driving modes and notifications, adding a futuristic touch. The center console is cleaner, featuring a minimalist gear selector and touch-sensitive controls. Seating is as premium as ever. BMW offers new sun-safe and leather upholstery options with contrast stitching, giving the cabin a handcrafted feel. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, with multiple massage functions for the ultimate comfort experience. Rear passengers are treated to improved legroom and a new panoramic sunroof that extends further back, making the cabin feel even more spacious and airy. BMW has also enhanced the acoustic insulation, reducing road noise for an ultra-quiet ride. Tech lovers are in for a treat. The X4 is loaded with the latest driver assist features, including an upgraded highway assistant for semi-autonomous driving. The new augmented reality heads-up display provides real-time navigation guidance directly on the windshield. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now work wirelessly, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. BMW's digital key technology lets you unlock and start the car using just your smartphone, and the latest personal assistant adapts to your driving habits for a more personalized experience. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X4 delivers a thrilling performance lineup. The base model, the xDrive 30i, is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out around 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, it delivers a smooth yet responsive drive. But for those craving more power, The M40i variant is where the fun begins, equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six with mild hybrid technology. It pumps out an exhilarating 382 horsepower and 369 pounds-feet of torque. This means a 0-60 time of just around 4.4 seconds, seriously quick for an SUV of this class. And then there's the ultimate beast of the X4 competition. This high-performance monster features a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, cranking out an insane 503 horsepower and 479 pounds-feet of torque. This rocket launches from 0-60 in a blistering 3.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in the game. BMW has fine-tuned the suspension, upgraded the M Sport brakes, and added an active exhaust system that delivers a heart-pounding roar. Whether cruising on the highway or carving through twisty back roads, the X4 is a true performance machine. Efficiency hasn't been ignored either. The 48-volt mild hybrid system in the M40i variant improves fuel economy and provides an extra boost during acceleration. The standard model achieves around 25 miles per gallon combined, while the M40i still manages an impressive 23 miles per gallon despite its power. BMW's advanced regenerative braking system helps maximize efficiency, ensuring a balance between performance and economy. Pricing for the 2025 BMW X4 starts at approximately $55,000 for the BAS X-Drive 30i model, making it a competitive option in the luxury SUV segment. Stepping up to the M40i pushes the price to around $67,000, while the full-fledged X4 competition comes in at a hefty $85,000, with optional extras like carbon fiber trims, upgraded leather upholstery, and BMW's latest driving tech. The price can climb even higher, but for those seeking a blend of style, performance, and luxury, the X4 is worth every penny. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 BMW X4 continues to push the boundaries of coupe-SUV design, blending aggressive styling with top-tier performance and cutting-edge tech. It's bold, it's fast, and it's packed with innovation, making it a standout in its class. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that delivers exhilarating performance while turning heads everywhere you go, the X4 is definitely one to consider. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments, are you Team X4, or do you prefer a different luxury SUV? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car reviews and trends. Thanks for watching Turbo Trendz TV. Stay fast, stay stylish, and we'll catch you in the next one.